Imagine two planets. One is lush, green, and full of life. The other is dusty, dry, and silent. Which one would you choose to live on? Of course, the green one. Right? This green planet is Earth, and it is special because of its perfect environment that allows plants, animals, and humans to thrive. But did you know that our actions are slowly changing this environment? Welcome to the official YouTube channel of exactcampus.com. Today we will explore how our actions are slowly changing this environment and what we can do to protect our home. Our environment is everything around us: the air we breathe, the water we drink, the soil we plant in, the trees, the animals, our homes, schools, and even other people. All these elements work together to create the perfect balance needed for life. But humans, unlike other living beings, change the environment to meet their needs. We cut down forests, build roads, use vehicles, and release waste into rivers and air. While these activities make our lives comfortable, they can harm the environment. Let's understand how. Humans have always relied on nature to meet their needs. But as our population grows, so do our demands. These are some of the ways we are changing the environment. Deforestation. Forests are being cut down to make space for farms, houses, and factories. This reduces oxygen production, increases carbon dioxide, and destroys habitats for animals. Urbanization. Expanding cities lead to more pollution and waste, affecting the quality of air, water, and soil. Air pollution. The harmful gases from vehicles and factories pollute the air. Water pollution. The chemicals and waste dumped into water bodies harm aquatic life. Soil pollution. The pesticides and synthetic fertilizers damage the soil's health. Overuse of resources. Natural resources like water, minerals, and forests are being used up faster than they can regenerate. Do you think there's a way to meet our needs without harming the environment? Think about it. Now, let us understand about the greenhouse effect. Our Earth is wrapped in a blanket of air called the atmosphere. This atmosphere traps some of the sun's heat, keeping Earth warm enough for us to live. This natural process is called the greenhouse effect. However, human activities release extra greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, into the air. These gases trap more heat, making Earth warmer. Carbon dioxide are produced by burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas, in vehicles, factories, and power plants. Cutting down trees reduces the planet's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, further increasing its concentration in the atmosphere. Methane are emitted by farming activities, like rice paddies, and livestock, cows and sheep. These are released during the extraction and transport of coal, oil, and natural gas. Methane traps much more heat than carbon dioxide, though it is present in smaller amounts. Water vapor. Water vapor naturally exists in the atmosphere and contributes the most to the greenhouse effect. As the Earth warms, more water evaporates, increasing the amount of water vapor and amplifying the greenhouse effect. Nitrous oxide. These are emitted by agricultural activities, especially from the use of fertilizers. These are also released during the burning of fossil fuels and organic material. Ozone. Ozone in the upper atmosphere protects us from harmful UV rays. However, ozone near the Earth's surface, produced by vehicle and industrial emissions, is a harmful greenhouse gas. Global warming refers to the rise in Earth's average temperature due to increased greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Let's see the effects of global warming. Melting ice caps and glaciers. polar regions are warming rapidly, causing ice to melt. This raises sea levels, threatening coastal cities and islands. Extreme weather events. Higher temperatures lead to more frequent heat waves, intense storms, and droughts. Flooding and unpredictable rainfall patterns affect agriculture and water supply. Impact on animals and plants. Many species struggle to adapt to changing temperatures and habitats. Coral reefs, which support marine life, are dying due to warmer oceans. Rising sea levels. Coastal areas are at risk of being submerged as sea levels rise. Millions of people living near the coasts may be displaced. We can all take steps to protect the environment and reduce the effects of pollution and global warming. Switch to renewable energy. Use solar panels, wind turbines, and hydroelectric power instead of fossil fuels. Encourage governments and industries to invest in clean energy sources. Adopt sustainable practices. Choose public transport, carpooling, or bicycles instead of driving cars. Use energy-efficient appliances and LED lights to save electricity. Plant more trees. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, CO, and release oxygen, helping to balance greenhouse gases. They also provide homes for wildlife and prevent soil erosion. Reduce waste. Properly dispose of household and industrial waste to prevent pollution. Compost kitchen waste to create natural fertilizers. Raise awareness. Educate others about the importance of protecting the environment. Encourage your community to adopt eco-friendly habits. The 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle are a simple but powerful way to conserve resources and reduce waste. Reduce. Use only what you need. For example, turn off lights when not in use and fix leaking taps to save water. Avoid buying unnecessary items and choose products with minimal packaging. Reuse. Find creative ways to reuse old items. For example, use old jars to store snacks or reuse gift wrapping paper. Donate clothes, books, and toys you no longer need instead of throwing them away. Recycle. Sort your waste into recyclable materials like paper, glass, metal, and plastic. Support products made from recycled materials, like notebooks or furniture. Do you know, recycling 1 ton of paper saves about 17 trees and 7,000 gallons of water? Let's recap what we learned today. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and overuse of resources harm the environment. Greenhouse gases trap heat and contribute to global warming. Global warming leads to melting ice, rising sea levels, and extreme weather. Protecting the environment includes using renewable energy, planting trees, and reducing waste. The 3R, reduce, reuse, recycle, help conserve resources and minimize waste. What steps will you take today to protect our environment? Whether it's planting a tree, recycling paper, or using public transport, every little effort counts. Let's work together to keep our Earth healthy and beautiful for future generations. This brings us to the end of this video. For more insights and educational content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and visit our website at exactcampus.com. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, keep learning and exploring. Take care.